Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Meg and I am a fully qualified yoga teacher, a beautician and a masseuse. And this is my YouTube channel where I talk a lot about yoga, tips and tricks and things that you guys can follow along from home, but also some health and wellness as well. Today I am going to be doing a wild thing breakdown pose, or wild thing pose breakdown. This is a really good transitional pose when you're doing vinyasa flows. It helps to open you up so you can get further into your wheel pose and things like that, and back bends. And yeah, I just really enjoy popping these in. It makes me feel really strong. You're using your muscles in your arms, so it's a good way to kind of get that flexibility in and create strength, ready to get you into a full wheel pose. You don't really need anything to do this practice. It's going to be quite a small one. I'm literally just going to show you where legs, hands, feet need to be, and when you're ready we will get started. So you can transition into wild thing in quite a few different ways, but the easiest way to show you is just kind of from sitting, and then as time goes on and when you do different flows you'll realize where you can place the footing or where it needs to go when you're doing transitions. So we're going to start with the right leg, and we're going to start with the right leg being bent and your left hand is coming behind. We're going to lift up through the hips, so we're taking the weight up, keeping your left leg straight, and then we're going to bring the right arm round and up and back and behind, maybe gazing back and behind you. Breathing here, lifting your hips up high, spreading through the chest, opening it up, and exhale to come back down. We'll do the same the other way, so we're bending the left leg this time, right arm comes back and behind. Again, we're sweeping back and lifting those hips at the same time. So your weight is starting to shuffle back into your right arm, and we're coming up. Notice how my right hand is directly above my shoulder, so I can get a good push up and through the arm. You're rainbowing those hips up high, and then taking the left arm back and behind. Breathing here, keep lifting, and exhale to come down nice and slowly. So that is just a really quick fire, easy kind of how-to video on how to get into your wild thing. Please like and please subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me when you guys support me. The more support I get, the more I can bring you all free yoga content. So thank you all so much. And I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Thanks. Bye.